In the sunny playground of Shapeville, 4 bright circles gathered under the rainbow tree. They loved to play together every morning. Red circle loved racing fast across the grass. Green circle liked to roll in neat lines. Yellow circle enjoyed spinning in circles and laughing out loud. Blue circle preferred to move slowly and take in the world around her. One early morning, Red circle shouted out a new idea, a race to see who could reach the other side of the playground first. Everyone agreed excitedly. They lined up at the edge of the field in the playground, shining under the sun. When the race began, Red circle shot ahead, followed by yellow and green. Their colors flashed like ribbons in the wind. Blue circle started rolling too, but her pace was calm and careful. The others moved too quickly, and soon she was far behind. When they reached the end, the 3 friends cheered and bounced with joy. They didn't notice Blue circle stopping halfway, tired and unsure if she should keep going. She looked around the wide, empty grass and suddenly felt very small. Instead of finishing the race, Blue circle rolled toward the shade of the rainbow tree. The others didn't see her go. She stayed there quietly, watching their colors move together in the distance, feeling like her blue didn't belong among them. A few moments later, Green circle looked back and noticed the empty space where Blue should have been. The laughter slowed. Something didn't feel right without Blue circle beside them. The 3 friends rode back toward the tree and found her sitting quietly. They could see she wasn't upset with them, just left out. They felt a soft sadness too, realizing that fun only matters when everyone feels part of it. Red circle rode forward first and stopped beside Blue. Yellow and green joined, forming a gentle half circle around her. They didn't talk or cheer this time. They just stayed close. Then together they began to roll slowly around the tree, not racing, not competing, just moving as one. Their colors blended beautifully on the grass, swirling in harmony. For the first time, Blue circle felt fully seen. Her calm pace brought balance to the group, turning fast energy into flow and laughter into connection. As the sun began to set, the 4 circles rested side by side, their colors glowing warmly in the fading light. Red felt bright, green felt peaceful, yellow felt warm, and blue felt understood. They realized that friendship isn't about moving at the same speed. It's about staying together, no matter the pace. When the stars appeared, the playground shimmered with soft light. Each circle reflected a different color of the sky, proving that even when they looked different, they were most beautiful together. That quiet night, the 4 circles promised that no one in their circle would ever be left out again. The end.
Thank you for watching us. See you next time. Bye.